Welcome to Day 13. Never trade an isolated stock chart without looking at its sector background.
Up to half of an individual stock's price move is driven by its sector index.
Step 1. Identify overall market direction. Step 2. Find the strongest performing sector. Relative strength measures how well a stock holds up when its sector or benchmark falls.
If the market drops 1% but your stock stays green on heavy volume, big institutions are accumulating it.
When you pair strong stock technicals with sector tailwinds, your trades move significantly faster.
Rule of thumb: never buy the weakest stock in a lagging sector, no matter how cheap it looks.
Align all three layers: market stability, a leading sector, and a relative strength breakout stock. This simple top-down filter dramatically increases your win rate and eliminates false breakouts. Trade with the wind at your back by mastering sector relative strength mechanics. Master professional market mechanics with Dr. Yateen V. Joshi. Visit equityteacher.com